Why are granite countertops a good investment for your home? Dear friends, granite countertops bring a beautiful aesthetic to your kitchen or bathroom, along with other great qualities. Granite has a rich beauty that emulates other countertop materials. A natural product with timeless charm. Granite worktops visually take quality kitchens to the next level and are often the focal point of a room. With over 20 granite shades, you can find the perfect match for your kitchen cabinets, floors, and walls. Granite is a very hard material and is scratch-resistant. It's not ideal, as it dulls the knife edge, but it holds up very well to normal wear and tears. Granite is also heat-resistant, making it ideal for use near stoves. You can put a hot pan on it right away. Granite can absorb heat without being damaged or weakened. In the bathroom, it's fine to keep warm hair tools. Granite is stain-resistant and does not absorb liquids when properly sealed. A good professional installer can seal it properly and keep it attractive forever. They are visually appealing. Each granite slab is unique with its individual lines, colors, and patterns. This uniqueness allows you to create individual countertops that you won't regret investing in. You can find unique panels that match well with the look of your kitchen cabinets and walls to add a special aesthetic to your room. Added value. A granite worktop is a timeless investment that not only instantly adds a touch of class to your kitchen or bathroom but also adds lasting value to your home. Extremely durable. Granite is not indestructible, but it is a very hard material that is scratch-resistant and can be used for decades. Resistant to heat. Granite is a heat-resistant material that is very useful when cooking near a stove. Granite absorbs heat without damaging or weakening it, so it's okay to place hot pots and pans directly on the counter. Stain-resistant. Granite is not only heat-resistant, it also repels dirt. These countertops do not absorb liquids when sealed properly. Work with an expert to ensure surfaces are properly sealed to retain their attractive appearance indefinitely. Affordable. Unlike expensive natural granite countertops, granite countertops are affordable and available at an amazing price. Multiple colors available. These platters are available in multiple colors to match any style or decor in your kitchen. The compact, dense granite-like appearance is rich and vibrant, with the effect of rice grains. The great dark colors are bold and will fade over the years, keeping your kitchen neat and clean. Eco-friendly. With their distinctive look, unparalleled style, and smooth finish, our eco-friendly countertops look beautiful and clean, stunning, eco-friendly, and perfect for nature lovers. Countertop options range from snow white, cream, and ivory with a mix of dark, rich hues and stains to fill your space with character and warmth. You can also choose white granite countertops. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.